So yeah, y'all came to a car meet and a modification happened. So he's actually gonna be getting a Jb4 tune. The strong boy over here, man. Look at this guy. His muscles were showing, man. Oh, dude, tires broke loose, doggy. Your car is ridiculous, bro.
Whoa.
I'm good. I'm clutching, dude.
I wasn't expecting that.
All right, you guys. So here's my turn. Oh man, this thing kicks, man. What the? Yeah, this thing is too much fun, bro. God dang. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and this is Kevlar82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today, we're gonna be doing something special with my homie Ron right here, dude. So he's gonna be taking his full bolt-on G70, and he's gonna be doing spark plugs and a Jb4 tune. What's up, dog? And a Jb4 tune, and it's gonna be done over here at Concept 3. What's up? How you doing?
What's up?
Crashed the intro.
This is the intro?
Yeah, I was doing an intro for another video. So I have a lot of... But yeah, we got some people behind us right here that just want to say what's up to the channel.
Kevlar82 TV.
Yeah, you know what it is. So yeah, dude. He's gonna be doing the Jb4 tune and spark plugs, and then we're gonna take it for a small little ride. First, he's gonna take it, and I'm gonna be in the passenger seat. Then I'm gonna drive it and get my reaction on it or whatever, and see what kind of power he's gonna make. So it's not an instructional video; it's just for fun. Just kind of run you through some of the steps. Will is extremely efficient the way he does things here at his shop or whatever. So he does things really fast. So I captured some of it, but not all of it. But this is just to start a brand new G70 series, dude, because we're gonna be linking up with Romero G70 later on in another video, and we're gonna get an update on his car that he's done work on. Then we'll take both of them to the drag strip and compare numbers and have some fun, dude, and give you guys more content for the G70 community. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it and get started. So yeah, dude, this is kind of unexpected, whatever, over here at the KDM Cars and Coffee, but we're going to hook this bad boy up, and then we'll see what it is, dude. We got the owner right here. Step over here, sir, if you got a second. So yeah, dude, give us a quick rundown of what you have done to the car so far.
I got a full arc exhaust, downpipe, scat bag. Got the engine intakes, carbon fiber strip base, vanity covers from NGI.
Okay.
And wheels.
Nice.
Adro carbon fiber kit.
Okay. Cool, man. So what is Will over here doing on his day off? No days off for a real hustler, right? This dude. So what is he doing to your car right now?
So I was just talking to Will about the Jb4, and he said he was down to put it in today. So
yeah,
here we are. We're going to run a Jb4, HKS spark plugs, and the Bluetooth module. So we'll see what kind of power this will make later.
Cool, man. And after he's done, we'll I'll jump in there with you or whatever, and we'll fill it for the first time and see what it is, you know? Have some fun, dude. Trying to catch up to Romero G70.
Fast boy.
That's a fast boy, man. We gonna try to get my man a little bit closer to him. We'll start with that, just a little bit, dude. You know. But yeah, let's go ahead and let him do his thing. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut for the most part and let him do his thing. The strong boy over here, man. Look at this guy. His muscles were showing, man. No games being played over here. Sorry, y'all. This is not an instructional video. This is a fun video, so I'm gonna be talking. I cannot keep myself serious when being around this guy. Like, he's serious now because he's handling his business. But this dude's a straight goofball, and I love it. He's awesome. So you guys doing the spark plugs first, of course, or what?
Spark plugs first.
Yeah. makes it look easy. Oh man. Somebody give this man a back rub, dude. Any volunteers? Oh man, the way he makes it look easy. I'm capping him out. So now everything's buttoned up as far as the spark plugs. Now we're getting ready for the Jb4. I'm gonna take a peek at it over here. So yeah, let him do his thing. Can't wait to see what this thing's gonna feel like after it's all done. Through the firewall. That's how you get it, man. What takes him like 30 minutes probably takes me like 3 hours if I try to do similar type of modification. That's why you gotta take it to the expert, man. And he already got the module like tucked in over there and zip tied up. So yeah, I was chatting with the homie or whatever and literally missed it. It was like a pit crew. It's already done and buttoned up or whatever. So the next step for him is, do you have to hook something up?
Nope. You just have to download the app and you just see the settings on it, but you'll get in the car right now and break some fucking tires.
Oh snap, dude. Okay. It's that easy. I didn't even know, because I don't know too much about Jb4 or whatever, but apparently you just hook up the module and then you go on your phone with the app or whatever, and then you can choose the maps or whatever, however you want to do it. Oh, it's fun time, dude. You let this man, you gonna figure it out or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out.
Yeah. All right, so we'll see what happens with that and we'll cut to it. All right, y'all, so we already in the whip. Let these cars roll out real quick. We in the whip right now. He running the app. Look at that. Oh, backup camera. The car smells nice, sir. Hey, so you said you on map 1?
Map 1.
Okay, so we just gonna try this one out and see how it feel, whatever. Why does the top of your car look like a Genesis coupe, kind of?
Oh, because it does.
It's just funny the way that they
the
design
lines.
or whatever. Yeah, the lines on the hood. So yeah, we're just gonna take it for a little fun run. Get on it just a little bit, see what's cracking.
So I'm gonna go sport mode.
Yeah, he's on sport mode. I don't know, y'all, man. I might be in the market for one of these bad boys. I kind of I'm leaning towards G70 over Stinger. It's pretty much the same, almost the same car, but this one has more luxury touches. Let's see what they do. Oh, dude, tires broke loose, doggy. Oh my God. Dude, your car is ridiculous, bro.
Whoa.
I'm glitching, dude.
I wasn't expecting that.
Dude, that was, oh my God. I think I'm shaking a little, bro.
Oh
this thing is ridiculous, dude.
Wasn't expecting that.
Dude,
Difference.
The tires broke loose a little bit, but obviously they weren't like warmed up or whatever, but thing's fast as hell, dude.
Do one more.
Yeah, let's go, dude. Holy crap, dude. Oh man.
All right, ready?
All right, go ahead, go.
Oh, go break it loose.
Yeah. God dang. Yeah, slow down, slow down. Yeah. Oh my God. That thing's, It started crab walking, man. You see, skirt a little bit. All right.
Let's see how fast we get. Okay, I'm good.
All right, you good? Oh man. Yeah, come on out. You're good, man. Oh, he gotta wait.
What do you think?
He can tell by my heavy breathing. Man, this thing is bad. I don't want to cuss, but it's bad, bro. Holy crap.
Man.
Oh, I'm lightheaded, dude. Dude, that was fast, bro. Oh my God, I'm shaking, dude. Woo! Oh my God, dang. This thing is ridiculous, dog. Oh, I'm shaking, dude. Oh man, that's sick, bro. You can smell the brakes a little bit.
Yep.
He cooked a little bit, but they, you know what I mean? They did what it had to do. Oh, dude, where's Will at, dude? Jesus Christ. I want to shake this man's hand. Oh. Whew. This thing's a beast, man. Y'all gotta feel it, man. It's hard for me to say it, to explain it, whatever, but like this fool was breaking loose from the launch, and then he was doing like a small, a low end pull, and it tried to crab walk a little bit on him, dude. Like, god dang.
275s in the rear.
Yeah, I know. But yeah, once the tires get warmed up, you'll be good. But yeah, under cold tires and this thing, it's ridiculous. He's only running, it was like the first map or whatever.
Yeah, map 1.
Yeah, so there's like different power maps, correct? Yeah. So yeah, I think he's good with that one for now.
Yeah.
He has to get used to the power, but I wanna basically take this thing to the track, have some fun one of these days. If you're down with it, dude, I'm pretty sure the viewers, everybody, you guys will be down with seeing this, and then get the G70, get Ramiro's G70 out, and we'll make a comparison. Obviously, Ramiro might be a little bit faster. He has a couple extra little secrets. Ramiro's cars has a couple secrets I can't tell anybody, but yeah, we'll do some runs or whatever. We'll have some fun with it, whatever. But yeah, that was pretty fun. All right, you guys, so here's my turn. Wish me luck. Yeah, thanks.
Will's just shaking his head.
Don't forget it has 4 doors, man.
I know, it's a little bit bigger than my car. I drove one of these before. Oh, I like the heads up thing. I forgot about that. It's been a while, man. I need to do an updated video on driving Ramiro's car too. Is it super low? Do I need to be at a super angle?
No, you're good.
Okay, we're good. All right, here we go. I'm gonna give it a little bit. Oh man, that thing kicks, man. What the? Dang. I'm not like you. I'm not as brave because it's not my car. But once your pedal has like a 2-step type of thing to where you have to click it all the way down. So for you guys that are afraid that the power comes on too hard, like that's not clicked all the way down. That's just like partial throttle. All right, let me slow down, make a UE. But yeah, so these cars have like a push down. Like if that makes any sense. I don't know if that doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. But you basically have to push the pedal all the way down and you feel like a small click. That's when you know you're at full throttle. So yeah.
Go in manual mode. Downshift.
So how do I put it in manual mode?
Left paddle, just left paddle.
So left paddle.
It says 1 right there.
Oh,
yep.
so we're in manual?
Yep. Go back left paddle one more time. There it is.
Okay. Yeah, the road's a little bumpy. It's not even the tires of the car. The road's a little bumpy, so we lost a little bit of traction and I just let off of it, but alright, that's good enough. Yeah, this thing is too much fun, bro. God dang. Oh my goodness gracious, dude. God dang. I'm not even barely on it. I love the way that sounds, man. Roots.
So you think it feels similar to Ramiro's car?
Yeah. Well, the thing is, you said similar to
Ramiro?
Yeah.
When you drove it?
Well, not when I drove it, it wasn't as fast as this because it was still stock. But I do plan on linking up with Ramiro and driving it again. We'll do a similar video with Ramiro's car. We'll do a similar video with Ramiro's car where he drives it and then I drive it and I get my reaction or whatever. And then we'll continue the series and we'll take both cars to the drag strip and have some fun. And I know that Ramiro's car is faster. He has more work done or whatever. Oh, you have a good one, man. I know Ramiro's car is a little bit faster, you know, because he has a couple extra goodies. But this is just to show love to the KTM community and the G70 community to show them that these cars are a force to be reckoned with or whatever. So I'm just going to park it right in front of the shop right here since we're pretty much done. And that's pretty much it. Thank you, sir, for letting me drive your car, man. That thing is a complete monster. How do I put it in park?
Push the P.
Push the P. God,
There it
see.
is.
And then you got an e-brake or something?
No, we're good.
Okay, cool. All right. Not my car, but yeah. Thing's awesome, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the content, man. This thing is an animal. It's a little scary, dude. It's a little bit scary. My Genesis Coupe is super slow now. I'm gonna get in my car and be like, something's wrong with it, because they're feeling the power of this car and then jumping back into my slow car is gonna be it's gonna be depressing. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the content, dude. I enjoyed driving the car. Enjoyed the homie Will over here, Constant Free. Make sure you hit him up, dude. Get yourself a Jb4 tune for your G70, dude. Oh, we got camera crash right here. Drive United. Always gotta show him love, dude. There we go. Bam. Give him a follow. Yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Just remember, as I said in all my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.